Alright, welcome back. Today is going to be this video is going to be a weekly bias video for this week. So here's what the plan is. Long story short, I think we're going to go up today, this week. At least, I don't know how we're going to react off this trend line right here, but you can see for this on the daily, we've been very bearish. Well, we were bullish for a while, and then we were bearish for a while, and then we were bullish for April 9th, and then we went up a little bit more here on the 11th through the 14th. But we're coming down. We're coming up to this trend line right here. This is since February 21st. I think the market is going to come up to this trend line right here. I already said that. Anyway, let me explain why. We had this initial reaction we had some pretty strong rejection here off of this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap, and this confirms what I believe about fair value gaps. Usually the price bounces where price has already been, right? So basically we just took out this liquidity all the way down here. We honestly could have taken out this, but it either goes past this or it bounces right here where this price has already been. So I'm not sure if that made sense to you, but so we also have this fair value gap. We bounced 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 in there, 6, and I kind of that. Now we did break through it, but I still think what I know about fair value gaps is that they don't always, like, this would be technically making it invalid, since we went through it, rejected off of it, and then we went back through it. I think it's still going to be in play though. So I think we're going to come down. Let's go down to 30 minute. I haven't looked at 30 minute yet. Okay, well, this is eye opening right here. We have not filled this fair value gap. We have not filled this opening week gap. We have not filled this opening week gap. We also have just created this gap right here. And we're coming in to this right here. Wow, this is very, very bullish right here. If you want to count this as I guess you can count this as a breaker block right here. I say breaker block a lot. This counts a low, a high, a low, a high. Does that count? So we go. And go higher. Does that count? I'm not sure. We are showing a little bit rejection right here. No, we're not. What am I talking about? I think we're bullish. That's the final play. I think we come. Yeah, I think we come up. I think we're going to hit this trend line right here. And I think at some point this week we're going to be going up, breaking through this, filling in this gap, and then getting close to this trend line. I'm not sure what we're going to do from there. We might come back down and then I think let's delete this. So I think tonight we might do like this, and tomorrow I want to see it. Really, I'd love to see it just skyrocket. And then I think we're going to come back down maybe a little bit, and then we're going to shoot up. Oops. That's what I think we're doing this week. So, total summary. We either consolidate overnight, maybe come down a little bit to hit this trend line right here, or overnight we go ahead and break through this. But this week I want to see us come up and break through this. This is from last week that we never did. We never filled in. So I want to see it come up, break through this, and then hit this trend line on the daily, and then come back down. That is what I'm predicting for this week. Last time I did this, trading plan. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on this today. Weekly bias is bullish. I want to see us bullish this week. I want to see us bullish. That's good enough. Let's see bullish. Bullish. Last time we predicted the trend, we did bearish, and then we got the Trump reciprocal stuff where he took back the reciprocals. He was going to do them on China, I think. Put a pause. So that kind of ruined the bias. And that doesn't really matter though. That was the last day that we did. Then we took 2 days off. Came back with a W. So see what this week brings. I think my bias is pretty good. I think there's a strong reason to believe it's gonna go up. I don't know, we're good. I thought that was a gap. Just the really long Drake candle goes away for some reason. Yeah, I mean that looks like it's gonna go up. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Let me know if I missed something. We'll hopefully see y'all in a trade recap tomorrow. Peace.